Going to love the 2018 V90. The Volvo V90 is a mid-sized luxury executive car that epitomizes the safety and comfort of the Swedish automaker. The V90 wagon design easily carried a family of 4 with plenty of room in the back for whatever you want to bring along. Volvos have always had a reputation for building safety-inspired and long-lasting vehicles. The V90 wagon is proof of that and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.